How to change the primary mouse button in Windows 11. By default, the left mouse button is the primary button used for clicking, selecting, and dragging, while the right button opens context menus. But if that feels awkward, especially for left-handed users, Windows lets you swap them. In this video, we'll show you how to change your primary mouse button in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. In Windows 11, you can switch the primary and secondary mouse buttons in a few different ways, depending on what works best for you. Just keep in mind, this only affects standard devices like your mouse, touchpad, or trackball that use HID protocols. Method 1. Change the primary mouse button via settings. Let's take a look at the first method. The easiest way to change this is through the Windows Settings app. It's perfect for personal or shared home devices, requires no technical expertise, and the changes take effect immediately. Open Settings. To do this, press Windows+I or search in the Start menu. Go to Bluetooth and Devices, Mouse. Under Primary Mouse button, choose Left for right-handed use, which is the default setting, Right for left-handed use. Method 2. Change the primary mouse button via Control Panel. If you prefer the old-style interface, you can use the Control Panel. It works the same as the Settings app, is quick to access, and is available on all versions of Windows. Open Mouse Properties from the Control Panel. To do this, press Windows+R, type main.cpl, and hit Enter. Go to the Buttons tab, Button Configuration. Check the box to make the right button primary. Uncheck the box to keep the left button as primary. This is the default setting. Click OK to apply. Method 3. Change the primary mouse button via Registry Editor. For more advanced customization, you can modify the mouse button settings through Registry Editor. This is perfect for managing multiple devices. Open the Registry Editor by pressing Windows+R, typing regedit, and pressing Enter. Navigate to the following path. On the right pane, double-click the swap reg_sz value. Set the value to 0 to keep the left mouse button as the primary button, or 1 to make the right mouse button the primary button. Click OK, then sign out and back in, or restart the computer to apply the change. Method 4. Change the primary mouse button via PowerShell. PowerShell is best for IT admins who need automation or bulk deployment, since it can be used in scripts or Intune. You'll need admin rights to run these commands for other users. Open PowerShell. To do this, press Windows+R, type PowerShell, then hit Enter. Run one of these commands. To set left button as primary, input. To set right button as primary, input. Sign out and back in, or restart the computer to apply the changes. Changing the primary mouse button in Windows 11 is a small tweak that can make a big difference in comfort and accessibility. Whether you're customizing your own PC or managing devices at scale, you can use tools like Settings, Control Panel, Registry, or PowerShell. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to change the primary mouse button in Windows 11, linked in the description below.